Ever wondered how construction sites manage to maintain those steep slopes during excavation works without them collapsing? Well, it all comes down to a technique known as slope protection works in excavation. Slope protection works in excavation is a method utilized to prevent soil erosion and potential landslides during construction. It's a fascinating combination of engineering principles, material science, and good old-fashioned elbow grease. Imagine trying to build a sandcastle on a beach. As you dig into the sand, you notice that the sides of your hole start to crumble and slide back into your excavation. This is because the sand, just like soil, has a natural angle of repose. It's the steepest angle at which a sloping surface formed of a particular loose material is stable. Now, in construction, engineers can't afford to have their excavations collapse, so they use a variety of methods to ensure the stability of these slopes. This is where slope protection works come into play. The first step in slope protection is to assess the type of soil and its natural angle of repose. Different types of soil have different angles of repose and require different methods of slope protection. For instance, coarse sand has a higher angle of repose than fine silt. One common method of slope protection is the use of retaining walls. These walls, built at the base of the slope, hold the soil back, preventing it from slipping. They can be made from various materials, including concrete, steel, or even timber. Another method is soil nailing. This technique involves drilling and installing steel bars into the slope. These bars, or nails, act as a stabilizing force, holding the soil together and preventing it from sliding. Excavation works also often use erosion control mats or geotextiles. These are essentially sheets of fabric laid over the slope. They help to hold the soil in place, preventing erosion caused by wind or rain. There's also the option of slope terracing, where the slope is broken up into a series of stepped levels. Each level acts as a barrier, preventing the soil from sliding down the slope. So, as we've discovered, slope protection works in excavation is all about maintaining stability. It's about ensuring that the soil stays where it's supposed to, preventing landslides and collapses. It's a vital part of construction, ensuring the safety of workers and the integrity of the project. In summary, slope protection works in excavation is a method used to prevent soil erosion and potential landslides during construction. It involves assessing the soil type, its natural angle of repose, and applying suitable methods such as retaining walls, soil nailing, erosion control mats, or slope terracing to maintain stability. It's a blend of science and engineering, working together to ensure the safety and success of construction projects. So next time you pass by a construction site and see those steep slopes standing tall, you'll know a little bit more about the science and engineering that keeps them that way.